Rich world plus hedge fund.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. It's been a good weekend, holiday weekend. We had Thanksgiving last Thursday. Ate some good food. But today we have some fantastic news for Nvidia shareholders out there, right? The analysis have just made some significant upgrades to the next year's forecast, and it's given us plenty of reasons to smile. So let's dive into the details, you know, and let's see how we can possibly hold or dump Nvidia, right? So according to the latest reports, analysts have substantially increased their revenue estimates for Nvidia, right? Signaling a stark improvement in the company's business fundamentals. Now, it's big news for all of us keeping an eye on one of the tech giants in the market. So yeah, Nvidia is definitely one of the tech giants. One of the biggest chip makers, if not the biggest. Right. So let's continue. Following this upgrade, the most recent consensus from Nvidia's 53 analysis is projecting revenues of US 88 billion in 2025. Right, so they're projecting revenues of 88 billion in 2025. Now, if this forecast holds true, it would mark a tremendous 97% increase compared to its sales over the past 12 months. And that's not all. Statutory earnings per share are expected to soar. It's going to soar by 133%, right? So that's crazy. That's some crazy numbers right there. So Nvidia is looking at $88 billion in revenue in the next 2 years, I should say. Next year, next 2 years, yeah, 2024, 2025. Right. So that's some significant increase, right? So if you're looking long term in Nvidia, those earnings are definitely in your favor, right? Real shareholders that hold their stocks for a good while, right? Before this latest update, analysis were forecast revenues of 80 billion and earnings per share of $15 in 2025. It's evident there's been a substantial increase in analysis sentiment recent, with both revenues and earnings per share receiving a significant boost in the latest estimate. Now, here's an interesting point. Although the analysis have upgraded their earnings estimate, there was no change to the consensus price target of $655. This suggests that despite the forecasted performance boost, it might not have a long term impact on the company's valuation. Wow. Let's take a broader look at these estimates analysis and anticipating Nvidia's growth to accelerate. With a forecasted 72% annualized growth until the end of 2025, this compares favorably with historical growth of 28% per annum over the past 5 years. 28%. So if you hold Nvidia 28%, hold Nvidia for the past 5 years, 28% per annum, right? When compared to other companies in a similar industry, or data suggests they are forecasted to grow their revenue at 16% per year. So it's evident that Nvidia is expected to outpace its industry in terms of growth. In terms of growth, right? So Nvidia, in the next 2 years, we're gonna be looking back at this report and see how accurate it is, because this is saying long term, Nvidia is a good hold, right? This selling we're seeing right there after earnings, right? The earnings came out it's really not in our favor after earnings, right? But we got to look on the long term aspect. We just take out this 15-minute lows. We might come back up here and retrace break these highs, right? This was some easy money making coming down right here. But long term, we're looking at 2025. When that come around, we're looking good on Nvidia, right? We need to bounce off the support probably and go up if we dip that far, right? So that's a wrap for today's update on Nvidia. If you found some information valid, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts, comment below, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, manage risk and invest properly, man.